Hello everyone, this is Dmitry Yang, and last time I have shown you some synthesis of the TVCMALL head office in Shenzhen. But you know that as a wholesale expert distributor platform, we are not just having the data processing center, we also got this supply chain center here to help handle kinds of the sorting, packaging, and the delivery for the supplier goods. At the same time, this supplier chain center is not just only for the self-operated wholesale orders, it is also for the kinds of the packing and quality inspection for the customized products and other stuffs. Every day at 4 o'clock, 4 p.m. Yeah, I mean, this is our delivery time for our suppliers. Let's please follow my step to see which kind of the products has our supplier delivered today and which kind of the services we deliver in this warehouse and the supply chain center. Please follow my step to see the first destination. Yeah. Okay, please hold on here. Right now, where I am standing is the junction of the receiving area and the sorting channel. Please take a look to see which kind of the products has our suppliers delivered today. Let me select one for you. Yeah. Yes, I think that can be a very representative. This is one pack of the silicon cases, just about from our customers, and all the other things like, yeah. This is another kind of the wireless earphones. Yes, it seems like today we are going to have a small 3D electronic storage stuff. That's all about this junction of the sorting area and the sorting channel. Let's move on to see which kind of the model are running in this area. Yes, please hold on here. And I want to tell you something more about our colleagues. Here, where I am standing is one of my colleagues' working area. She acts just like you see this girl. She acts like a product sorter right behind the sorting channel. What she's doing every day is to proofread the type of the product and then attach to the labels depending on the characteristic of the product. That's what she's doing every day. That's all about the sorting area and the receiving area. Since we are just talking about the sorting area, I just talked to you. Let's go to this place. You can see this sorting area is right behind the sorting channel. Let's go to there and see which kind of the products can we find here and what to explore what this area is for. Please follow my step to see something, if we can have something there. Yes, please follow my step. And to tell you what, the reason why at the very beginning I rather call it a supply chain center but not a warehouse, the reason is like that. This place is not running as an individual departments apart from the head office. Be more exactly, I want to say is that this warehouse and the supply chain center works just like a close pattern right next to the departments in the head office. For example, if you are having a new post demand or requirements to your account manager, and soon he will deliver your demands to our warehouse administrator with your accurate information about the order number, model, quantity, or color of the of your order information. That's quite a maybe next minute you will have your order information updates. That's all about the intelligence of the inner part operation system. It can help us to do all kinds of the processing and this kind of job for you at one process. all the designers or the sales and the warehouse and administrator, they will all be in one system to check your order information. And here, where I am right here standing, is the packing and the sorting area, just like I told you before. But before all of you, I want to tell you that this area, we are using it just like a transfer station before storage, or the storage temporary warehouse. That is what we use it for. Before all these things I want to introduce and the detailed information I want to give to you, please have a look and take a shot at the products, specific products. These are products we just, the customer has just bought from us. Please have a sight of it. Yes, you can see it is some kind of the Emerald's tempered glass screen protector, just bought from our customers. And then another, this type of the, how to say it, is like the leather wallet case, just bought from the same customer. I think those products can represent some purchasing demands of the market. Yes. So that's more about our products, and I will show you more in the next step. Back to the origin function of this packing and sorting area. What we are using it is to use it as a transfer, how to say, is the kinds of the model for us to check and to see if we confirm the order, then the label will be affixed and will be assigned to a respective destination according to the orders. That's all about these products. So after that step, we will deliver these things to the logistic company and waiting for them to take the parcel. That's what the packing area and the sorting area for. So that's all about this area. I will go and show you more, because what we are just showing you is some ordinary products and they are packed already. So I want to tell you more about our customized products for you to know. If you have you have a shop yourself, but you just you don't know how to do the design, or you know the design and you have the design, but you can't just find one to execute it for you. Find one to execute for you. So we are here to help. That's what our next department do. Please follow my step to see which kind of the product department that is. That is our customized product processing area. Yeah. You can see they are the products we just received from the suppliers today. Quite a big amount of the orders. Yes, we have just arrived at the customized product processing area. And you can see now it is a lot of the employees working here, and many of them are doing one little same thing, are handling the things like that, like the pasting, labels pasting, or the customized product packing installation, or the storage stuff reusing. Yes. Let me show you one of the customized product. You can see that is one kind of the tempered glass our customer has just ordered, and this label has just to be pasted by our employees. So how this progress and process going is like that. If you have the order, we will first design your poster or the packing by our designing department in the head office. Then after your demand has been placed, I mean, then the demand will be transferred to our cooperating factories, and finish the manufacturing. After the task has been done, the unresolved task will be moved to this area and waiting for our employees to do the execution. So still, if you have the product, design yourself, we can also help to do the execution and the processing for you as well. You can see one sentence as a summary, we can handle all kinds of the customized products, services for you. Don't worry about it, because if you try to seek for some independent studios, they are much cheaper, or no, they are much expensive than us. So this is a great choice for you to choose us to be your designer and the one who is doing the execution. So that's a lot of things about the customized products. Next, we will go to this area. Yes, you can see there's a screen hanging here. It is about our weighing and packing system. Because this area is limited because we are not spending much of the time upon this. We prepare this just because that sometimes the logistic company can be a little weird. If your parcel weighs about 8.5 kilograms, sometimes it may be much more expensive than the 9 kilograms. So in that case, we prepared this kind of the area to check the parcel weights before the logistic company arrive. Yes, if there's a way we can help to saving your shipping budget, we are always glad to help our customers do that. Yes, you can see our employees are now doing their tasks there to scanning on the code and get their weight information. Then they will be packed and settled in this area. That's all about the packing and weight area. Next, we will go to our next destination as the pending delivery area. Yes, please follow me at this direction. Yes. Now, you can see this area, I have to explain it to you, maybe much more easier for me to introduce compared with the other areas, because all the parcels are settled here. You can just please take a look at those parcels. They are all arrived today. You can see this really a big amount of the orders will be sent by the logistic company. Most of them are the wholesale B2B TVCMALL orders, while the others are from the RI Part Experts and the Alibaba ad platform, so on. They are just the specialty in the wholesale B2B orders. And if you are a retail order buyer, what should you do? That's what this area do. Please take a shot at this area. Yes, have a wide angle of the parcels here. Because I don't know this area much, but my colleagues in the FBA Amazon department, they just told me that this area is for the FBA self-delivery services about the Amazon station. So from this point, we can draw a conclusion that we are not just handling about the wholesale platform orders, and if you are a retail buyer, you can just go to our Amazon station to find the product you wanted to buy. Don't worry about it. We are ocean professional at the Amazon station. We are solid. That's all about the parcels in the Amazon area. They are almost half to half compared with the wholesale orders area. Okay, as we push forward, we have just arrived at another area. Let's call the B2B quality control area, but we simply just call it the quality inspection area. Yeah. Okay. Now we have got to the very destination. This area is for the products for, straight out. After their quality inspection and the packing, they will be in the individual parcels and will not fixed in with your ordinary products. That's all about the small parts area. Okay, I think this first floor we have just moved around and we have seen it all. But still, we are not just having the first floor about the packing, quality inspection, or the customized products. One important point I just haven't told you is that the warehouse and the warehousing skills we have got. So please follow my step to the second floor to see what gives and what will make something more surprising and more things for us to explore. Please follow my step to see what can we have here. Please follow my step to see the second floor. Okay, hold on here. We have just arrived at the second floor of the supply chain center. And this second floor is quite simple for all the warehousing and the storage are settled here. Please follow my step to see which kind of the stock we are having on this floor. You know that why we put this at the second floor is that we want to avoid cases like that. Sometimes the customer just bought some products from our website. Meanwhile, in the market, there is no stock, out of stock. We just can't find the products for you. To avoid that cases happening, we prepared the products and the stocks to avoid things happen. Let me check what can we have here. Oh, that's all for the retail buyers. I don't know if we can find something more for the electronics. Yes, I think that can be a very good example for you. The phone holder. Yes, if you have just buy it from our Amazon station, it means that generally speaking your parcel will be shipped no more than 2 days from this area. That's what our warehouse do. So we have just go through one shelves. I want to tell you more and introduce some basic information to you about this warehouse. Our warehouse occupied about 16,000 of the square meters, and with the employees about 90 employees are working in this area, the warehouse. Meanwhile, we have about 26,000 of the online SKU products on the shelves. Still, the output and the input number is about 406,000 every day. Yes, that's a big amount of numbers here. Look, we have just one another to show you. Please have a shot at this. It is for the iPhone 12, the fashion case. It is made of the silicone, and I think they are for the retail buyers. But if you have a wholesale demand, we are going to do the purchasing for you in the market. That's not a problem for us. So the B2B stock is also here, but today what I see is only the retail stocks. Okay, that's all about our warehouse, the shelves, and the products in this area. The first floor and the second floor, all the areas I show you is the supply chain center of the TVCMALL in Tangxia district, Dongguan, not so far from the Shenzhen head office. I think that's all about our supply chain tour today. And I hope you can like this video and please give us a subscribe. If you have any questions or if there is anything unclear, please note your message below and I will reply you as soon as possible. One thing I want to remember and mind you is that the Apple new release products will be at 14 September. So our next live show is about the iPhone new release products and what kinds of the accessories can we provide to adjust their models for the iPhone 13 and the AirPods. The data will be about 16 September. Please don't forget to follow the TVCMALL channel, and I will be at that time to show you some accessories of the new releasing products. Thank you for your cooperating and the watching. Please don't forget to mind us at that time. Thank you all. Goodbye.